Hello guys, welcome to my video. In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix a verification failed. This person is not active or this Apple ID is not active. So guys, when you want to log in your Apple ID on App Store and facing this type of issue, then I'll help you how to fix this problem. So guys, you can easily fix this problem. So let's start without wasting any time. So guys, simply first of all, you need to open your settings and guys click on Wi-Fi and make sure that you have connected with strong internet connection on your iPhone. And guys, after doing this, you need to go back, and guys, secondly, you need to open your Apple ID here. And guys, after this, you need to click on sign in and security, and guys, you need to click on change password. And guys, after this, simply you need to wait for a few seconds. So guys, maybe it takes time. So guys, now you can see here you need to enter your iPhone passcode that you are using for unlock. And guys, here you need to enter your new password and verify your new password. And guys, after changing your new password, then guys, you need to log in again. You fix your problem, then guys, simply you need to sign out your Apple ID from here and guys, sign in again. And guys, after doing this, if still not fixed, then guys, you need to open an internet browser. And guys, in that browser, you need to search appleid.apple.com, and guys, you need to reset your password from here. And guys, after doing this, your problem will be fixed. So guys, hope you like this video. If you like this video, please do subscribe, comment and share. Thank you.